Assalamualaikum friends, this is your host Tariq with his YouTube channel Tariq Canada Lifestyle. So guys, I hope you are doing well and enjoying. So guys, today I came with a new video part 4 from Niagara Falls with night views. I hope you will really like and really enjoy this video because this video is going to be very wonderful and fantastic because there is multicolor. You can see different very awesome and pretty views I made for you guys. That is what before I post on community and Instagram, so that because you guys was some of my friends, they already sent me message, they say they are waiting for the video. So now video is ready for you. So video is ready for you guys. So if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Guys, that is the reflective light on top of roof, which one is reflecting to USA Falls and Canada Falls. That's why it looks pretty and you can see multicolor because of the reflecting light.
ये हो नहीं सकता कि तेरी याद ना आए, तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए। हो तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए, मेरी जान चली जाए, मेरी जान चली जाए। ये हो नहीं सकता कि तेरी याद ना आए, तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए। हो तुझे भूलने से पहले मेरी जान चली जाए, मेरी जान चली जाए, मेरी जान चली जाए। मुझे तुम नज़र से गिरा तो रहे हो, मुझे तुम कभी भी बुला ना सकोगे। मुझे तुम नज़र से गिरा तो रहे हो, मुझे तुम कभी भी बुला ना सकोगे। न जाने मुझे क्यों यकीन हो रहा है, मेरे प्यार को तुम मिटा ना सकोगे। मुझे तुम नज़र से मेरी याद होगी, जिधर जाओगे तुम कभी नगमा बन के, कभी बन के आंसू, तड़पता मुझे हर तरफ पाओगे तुम। शम्मा जो जलाई है मेरी वफा ने, बुझाना भी चाहूं बुझा ना सकोगे मुझे तुम नजर से। गिरा तो रहे हो मुझे तुम कभी भी बुला ना सकोगे मुझे तुम नजर से। कभी नाम बातों में आया जो मेरा, तो बेचैन हो के दिल थाम लोगे, तो बेचैन हो के दिल थाम लोगे। निगाहों में छाएगा गम का अंधेरा, किसी ने जो पूछा सबब आंसुओं का, बताना भी चाहूं बता ना सकोगे मुझे तुम नजर से। गिरा तो रहे हो मुझे तुम कभी भी भुला ना सकोगे। न जाने मुझे क्यों यकीन हो चला है, मेरे प्यार को तुम मिटा ना सकोगे मुझे तुम नजर से।
Hi guys, I hope you really like the video, and you can see how it looks so beautiful and pretty views with the multicolor. It's reflecting different colors on the falls. This all efforts I just made for you guys. When you watch my video, so say something in the comment box if you like, and which kind of videos you like. So I will really appreciate if you say something in the comment box, which kind of video you like. So I will try my best to I made video for you guys. Guys, you can see how it looks so amazing and really awesome. You see multicolor is reflecting on the falls. See how it's changing different colors. Oh my god, it looks so awesome and pretty. These all efforts I did only for you guys. This is the Marriott Hotel here at Niagara Falls. You know, we also have a Marriott Hotel in Islamabad, Pakistan. Guys, video is ending now. Thank you very much for your great time. I really appreciate you have spent a lot of time with me, and hopefully you love the video. Inshallah, we'll come with the new video with great views and awesome pretty views for you guys. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.